What's going on, guys? Justin with 1791. Thanks for watching. Today I'm super proud to announce our new 1791 Tactical Leather Rifle Sling, or TLRS for short. The TLRS comes in two different colors. There is a black version, as you can see here, and there is a brown version which is attached to this rifle. The backbone of the TLRS is actually a heavy-duty ballistic nylon web that is 1.25 inches in width. The padding on the TLRS is actually suede wrapped, which feels really nice when it rides across your neck. And then that padding also helps to disperse the weight of the rifle during long durations of carry. All of the fittings on the TLRS are actually stamped out of a very, very thick chunk of leather. Now, what leather does for you as opposed to plastic is pretty prone to getting brittle with age and then cracking, whereas that leather, that's not going to happen with the leather. Including our rapid adjust slider, which is stamped out of a one-piece, very, very thick chunk of leather, and that allows you to make your rapid sizing adjustments by using that grab tab. The grab tab is actually suede out on that guy, which provides a very nice non-slip grip. And then the body sizing adjustment is actually right there. You have about 11 inches of body sizing adjustment. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you check them out. The Tactical Leather Rifle Sling, where legacy meets performance.